Sometimes when replacing a module on a vehicle, you need to re-initialize it to the system. Let's walk through how to do that on an example 2023 Ford Bronco. So for this example, we'll use a LIN bus module coming out of the body control module. So we'll scroll down here till we get to the body control module. It should be under body. And you see in the body control module, we have codes, data, functional tests. So it is a functional test, and it would be considered a special function. And then we can see right there, second from the bottom, LIN new module initialization. This procedure will configure all BCM LIN nodes such as the rear view camera, intrusion sensor, rain sensor module, and battery monitoring system. After you select OK, some nodes might go into configuration mode. So you continue. You're going to need to turn the ignition switch on. And then it will go through about a 15-second countdown, re-initialize the modules, and it will tell you when it's complete.